This is a gift card. A friggin' Visa gift card. I don't even have money on this thing. And I'm able to get stuff from the vending machine. Good morning, D-Rock Nation. Okay, this past week has been super awesome. Why am I carrying my tablet? I don't need that. Now, this past week has had its ups and downs. Like, quite frankly, it's been crazy. Because just Saturday, I had Saturday detention. I wasn't even supposed to be there, apparently. I was supposed to be there, but I was the only kid there, so I didn't even need to serve it. And it still counted towards the Saturday detention, so it was kind of cool. Plus, I got food from the vending machine for free, which was freaking awesome. So I'm about to play that clip right now. Where's everyone at? Like, there's no one here. I think I'm the only one here. Like, what the heck? I don't even know if these vending machines work. But I'm gonna try it out. Because I am hungry as a mug. This is a gift card. A freaking Visa gift card. I don't even have money on this thing. And I'm able to get stuff from the vending machine. Like, that's crazy. Let me see if this works again. Yup, there it goes. Alright, let's see, what do I want? Fruit snacks. Alright, that's how you get free stuff from a vending machine, so hey! Then after that, I got home and I was locked out of the house. So I ended up having to go to KFC. I asked for the phone to call my parents because I lost my phone. Then I went to my brother's job to pick up the keys so I can get inside the house. That was not cool. I was exhausted that whole day pretty much. Alright, I'm finally home. Finally. Oh, Lucy. I'm locked out of the house. Can I borrow the phone? Best thing I've ever ordered from Steak and Shake is right here. My friggin' house keys. God dang. I'm not about to make this whole trip I took be for no reason, so I might as well go to Burger King to get something to eat because I'm friggin' hungry and thirsty or whatever. And there you go, I got friggin' Burger King, so let's get it. And then after that, next couple of days were a little bit rocky. Sunday, I worked all day, so I didn't really get any footage that day. Wait a second. Hey, I gotta stop it right here, because this is kind of being a little shaky, a little boring, whatever the heck. This is a little slow, so I'm about to kick up the notch a little bit. I gotta go over those goals I talked about in the last video, because we blew them right out the water. I'm just saying. And you know what? I haven't done this in a while, so I'm about to do it right now. I'm about to go into cinematic mode right now. Okay, there comes a time in someone's life when they are extremely thirsty. And the best thing to do at that time would be to go in the kitchen and grab some powdered tea. Then with that tea, then make yourself some tea. This is no ordinary tea, but it is the tea. It is not just the tea, it is raspberry tea. Yep, that tea was great, but you know what else is great? These analytics, and I know I'm doing this again, but we're at this board for a reason, because you know those freaking goals I put up? We straight blew them out of the water, because look at this, 152 subscribers. I said we had to be at 152 subscribers by the end of the week, and we did it. 3,360 overall views. I said we had to get there in 1 week. We blew it out of the water, because the goal was only 3,000, but we went 360 views over that goal. Average percentage view, we stayed at 41%. I'm not gonna say that's bad or good because, hey, at least you didn't go down. Merch sales, they are still super high, And as soon as I get the names of the people, I will put them down here. But right now, what I got is a notification shout out for Tony. This man said he will start making music for my intros, my low points, high points, what and whatnot, whatever the heck. And dude, for that, I'm gonna shout you out. Subscribe to this dude's channel down below. He is freaking awesome. Now, the things I gotta do, make an intro. I got that somewhat taken care of, so I could cross that out. Make a universal intro. Yeah, that's kind of crossed out too. Switch merch stores. This is pending. I put a P right there for pending. Update your merch. That's actually done, so that's gonna happen. Start planning my videos. I'm doing that, but that's an ongoing thing, so it's gonna be pending most of the time. Update my channel art. I did that, so yeah, I can cross this out. Find a cameraman. I found a cameraman. This guy is not really available 24/7, so pretty much while he's not available, I'll need a backup. So that's pending. Alright, update all of the social media pages. That is also pending. I still got to do that. Explain the philosophy of D-Rock Nation. Did not do that yet. Alright, find a universal soundtrack. That's still going. That's actually pending. I'm doing that right now as we speak. So, since we reached these goals so perfectly, so effortlessly, I'm not gonna say that because it was hard to get to this point, but I gotta update these goals. So you know what? Since we made it this far, why not? I'm about to set this to 3,700. We gotta get to 3,700 overall views by the end of this week, not this month, but this week. Alright, now subscribers, we gotta get to 157 subscribers. Now here's the thing.
Hey, what about just 160? Let's try and bump it up.
Oh yeah.
Let's try and bump it up, 160.
Yeah, 160.
Let's see if we can get that.
Yeah, if we can get to 160, no matter what it is, I will give one of y'all something. It's gonna be a surprise, but you're just gonna have to wait and see what that is in the next video. Alright, now, average percentage viewed. I know we can do better than that. I'm keeping it at 60. There we go. Alright guys, that's the vlog. I gotta work in about, well, exactly an hour and 5 minutes. So I gotta hurry up and upload this vlog. So, with all that being said,